Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on how to use the command prompt. In the previous video we learned how to open the command prompt. Now in this tutorial we will start building our knowledge on how to use the command prompt, and by first learning how to navigate the file system. So by default, once you open command prompt, you will be in the home directory for the user. So the home directory for me, it's C user Abdel Nasser. So this is my name, the name that I gave once I installed the Windows on my system. So now I am here. How can I navigate? Well, first to navigate, I need to know in the current directory what type of files there are. So to list the directories and files in the current directory I am in, just type dir and you will get a list of all the directories and files. Now this first directory and the second one, which are one dot and the second dot dot, these are system reserved, don't worry about them. And the rest are, some start with a dot and others do not, like we have contacts, desktop, documents, downloads, favorites, and so on. So maybe I want to go to documents. How do I do that? We type cd, which stands for change directory. So change directory, I start typing D. Now you should take care of the case of the letters because it's case sensitive. So documents start with capital D, so you should start with capital D. Second thing is type D O C. Now once you type few letters, just hit the tab and Windows will complete this title or the name of the directory for you. Now hit enter. Now I am in the documents. How do I go back from documents to the home directory? We'll just type cd dot dot. Hit enter. Now I am back in Abdel Nasser. Well, what if I want to go back directly to the root directory? The root directory, which is C in this case, just type cd c colon and backslash. Hit enter and bang, there you are. Okay, how do I go back? Maybe to documents again, type cd space tab and you will get options for the available directories in the current directory you are in. Keep hitting the tab until you find users. Now then backslash, then the same thing, Abdel Nasser, then backslash, maybe start typing because here we have documents and downloads, they both start with DO. So be more specific by typing DOC so that Windows knows you are talking about documents. Hit tabs, documents, hit enter, and here we are in the documents directory. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. The final command that I want to show you before ending this video is the clear screen command. So it's CLS, which stands for clear screen. Hit enter and you can see it clears the screen. Very simple, very meaningful, and easy to use. So that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.